Today we're making the classic Indian restaurant dish that everyone loves, lamb Rogan Josh. Okay, so just a caveat before we start. This is by no means a traditional recipe. The traditional Kashmiri lamb Rogan Josh actually is cooked in mustard oil. It doesn't use any onion, ginger or garlic, uses very minimal spices and actually uses rattan jot, which is the root of a herb, to give it its distinctive red color. So it's a very special recipe and it's definitely worth trying, but this version is not that. This version is actually what you'll commonly find in restaurants, and it's an easy version that you can replicate at home. So now that we have that clarified, let's get started. First, on medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a large heavy bottomed pot. A Dutch oven will work really well here. Finely slice 1 large brown onion and add that in, frying till they're soft, sweet and browned. This browning is one of the things that will help give the Rogan Josh its rich color. Then add 6 crushed garlic cloves and grate a 2-inch piece of ginger straight into the pot. You can also use 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste if you have that handy. Then it's time to add the spices. We're using 2 bay leaves, 5 cloves, 1 stick of cinnamon and 8 lightly crushed cardamom pods. We're also going to add in 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, or you can also use paprika, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix the spices in and toast them for about 30 seconds or so. Then add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, mix that in, and finally add in your lamb pieces and sear on all sides. Then add 300 ml or 10 ounces of water. For more flavor, you can also use stock. Cover and let it simmer on low to medium heat for about an hour or so till the lamb is tender and easily comes apart with the fork. Okay, so while we cook the lamb, I'm going to show you a couple of sides you can serve with the lamb Rogan Josh. First, we're going to make a quick pickled red onion. Finely slice 1 red onion. Add that to a sterilized jar, shaking to separate all the pieces. Top with 3/4 cup of vinegar and 1/4 cup of hot water. Add 2 small green chilies, slit down the middle, and 1 teaspoon of salt and sugar. Cover and give a good shake and leave to sit for half an hour. After half an hour, the pickling liquid will have turned a beautiful shade of pink, and this will keep in the fridge for at least 2 weeks. The tartness of the pickle will enhance the flavor of the lamb Rogan Josh and will make your mouth water. The second side we're going to make is a quick cucumber and mint raita. To a large bowl, add 1 cup of Greek yogurt, grate half a cucumber and add that in. Then grab a handful of mint leaves and finely slice, mixing it in along with a pinch of cumin, a pinch of coriander, a pinch of dried mango powder or amchur, a pinch of chili powder and salt to taste. If you have chaat masala, you can use that instead. And that's your quick raita all done. The cool and creamy raita will balance out the heat and spiciness of the Rogan Josh perfectly. Now back to the lamb Rogan Josh to finish it off. After an hour or so, check on the lamb, and if you think it's almost tender enough, add 150 grams or about 5 ounces of Greek yogurt. Mix that in, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala if you have any, and salt to taste. Let that cook uncovered for another 10 or so minutes, and there you have it, a meaty, flavorful, thick gravy and beautifully tender lamb. A lamb Rogan Josh that's as good, if not better, as one you'll get at a restaurant, served with a cucumber raita and pickled red onion. So I hope you guys give this recipe a go and let me know what you think of it in the comments down below as well. I have a full recipe with all the details and everything else on my blog as well. The link is in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like. That's always appreciated, and subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!